Ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Given your fracture, but you are
Anak,
trying
paday
to
ka ron.
what is the
Nantod ka ron.
Gusto ba na nilagay na?
But Mayor, would it help if one person there, like si Martin Bermudez, would give up on his dream on becoming president in 2028?
Wala na,
Wala nang pag-asa.
wala nang ano, ngayon, meron akong suggestion sa military. Pero, hindi ko muna bitawan dito. After I shall have talked to the military, pupunta man ako ng Manila, I'll be frank with them, tinatag ko yung baraha, pareho rin dito, pero much more, dalhin ko yung mga tao na ganito ang nangyari sa pera natin. Pati itong gold reserve natin. Ilan na ba ang dollar piso na?
59.
So may plano kayo ngayon na puntahan ang
55 tons.
magpunta ng Camp Aguinaldo? Meron kayong plano? Naka-schedule?
Ako?
Opo.
Hindi.
Yung sabi mo kausapin mo?
Diba? Hindi doon. Pero hindi rin tabo. Yung freewheeling discussion, para sabihin nila nagplano ka ng pudita. Ayaw ko yan. Kasi naging presidente nga ako.
But you
Sir.
are optimistic na the military will talk or
Ayaw ko rin kung yung gusto lang. Yung kita ko na to share my thing. Kasi ako hindi naman nag-agitate talaga ng forcible release.
pero wala pang schedule kayo.
Pero ako, wait na. Hindi mo pwede ako ulit.
Will you have an appointment with General Brogan about this? And talk man-to-man about this issue sa kanya?
General
Brogan.
It's useless. It's useless. He cannot talk for himself.
So ibang general, sir?
Hindi rin. Dito ako sa baba. Might as well talk to the lieutenant colonels,
The ground commanders,
lieutenant colonels, and major and
the ground commanders, you mean?
What if they do a loyalty check, Mayor?
Takot lang. Yung sa mga mababang posisyon, marami na nagpapahiwati niya. Pero takot lang sila because chain of command.
you know, to the military. Of course, there is the military discipline. But if you can talk, if it is really to the interest of the country, why should you not?
Ngayon,
Can they resort to loyalty check, Mayor?
Okay?
They, among themselves, they're going to do loyalty check. The military.
It's not my business to have a loyalty check. It is for the
It's among
military itself to check sa kanila if they are still loyal to the Constitution. Ano yung protector of the Constitution? That's a very... What does it mean to them? And what does it mean to tayong mga tao?
Hindi ba mahirap on your part, Mayor? Like, nung panahon ni, ng diktador noon, madali kasi everybody was in Manila. Right now, the Dutertes are based in Davao. Hindi ba mahirap to mobilize or
Hindi na sila maniwala. Ako may pera ako. But why would I waste my money going there? Wala naman akong kita. Ang ginagamit kong pagkain ngayon, yung retirement ko, malaki nga. Pero I am now 80.
Uy,
Kung mag-abot ako ng 90, saan ako kuha ng pera? You think that retirement can sustain medicina pati lifestyle ko.
Ano lifestyle mo, Mayor?
Iyot.
Given your fracture, but you are
Anak ko
right
dahil
in the
ka
hole. What is the
Antod ka ron.
Given the fracture, but you are still part of the whole. What is the equation?
Ayaw. Just say, dito statement. Bahala ako.
What do you expect after meeting with some of the military officials and officers? Yung sinasabi, what do you expect from them after the meeting? After meeting them?
Military?
Yes, please.
Wala. Ako sa military. Sabihin ko nga, ibigay ko sa lahat sa kanila ang opsyon. Alam nila that they are serving under a commander-in-chief who is a drug addict. Na huwag nilang bulahin ang Pilipino na hindi alam nila yan. And they can always check it out to the Presidential Security Command. Bahala sila. Kailangan trabaho yan protector of the Constitution. How do you protect the Constitution? So if you protect the Constitution by saying that we will protect a drug addict for president for another 4 years, well and good. Yun ang gusto ninyo. Yun ang masunod.
Will you ask the military that question, Mayor?
Again,
Will you ask them that very question that you just said now? Na the protector, are you going to ask them that?
sinasabi ko lang, ngayon na. Sinasabi ko na, I'm not asking.
Ah, okay.
I'm telling them, sabi kasi ngayon, that they are the protector of the people. That itong free expression, itong the right to be on the opposite side is always protected by the Constitution. And the right of information, importante yung information saan na naman ang pera namin. So we are invoking sa military na ang tao kami nagtatanong, the right to be informed about the money that has been spent since then, and the right of redress of grievance kung nawala na. Kagaya nito, PhilHealth, contribution namin ito sa individual Kayo, walang sa PhilHealth. Tanungin ko sa iyo ngayon, saan yung pera ninyo ngayon? Ito ang naiwan na lang is out of the 89 billion, 29 na lang. So yung ang nawala nito, tanong ninyo, saan yung pera ngayon? Saan yan? Saan ang pera niyan?
Latag mo sa yuda, uy.
Ayuda.
Hindi mo ito mga tao nakakaon.
Hindi mo man ibigay yan sa tao kasi inakuha yan sa bulsa natin para sa kung magkasakit tayo. If you spend it for some other way, that is malversation.
Enjoy si
And that I will tell ang sundalo, sabihin ko sa kanya, that is malversation.
Do you demand PhilHealth na mag-explain dito? Yung PhilHealth, do you demand na mag-explain dito sa public?
Yes, yes. Mag-explain ako sa public?
And then, since sa PhilHealth,
Bubulahin, gano'n yan.
Kayo nag-comfort kayo kay VP Inday after Nurse Day.
Wala ka ganda. Ikaw sa babala niya. Kung maldiwitan niya, luod na.
Pero what's your reaction sa sinabi ng administration na hindi daw kayo isasubmit sa ICC, but if you are willing daw, makikipag-coordinate daw sila?
I heard Mr. Marcos say that But if he wants to submit himself to the ICC, he cannot do anything. Mr. Marcos, Presidente ka man. Look at it. Wala akong problema. Insignificant din ako dyan. But if you are going to recognize ICC, you are eroding the sovereignty. Mas mabuti pa, wag ko lang idamay yung bayan. Back up na lang ako, tapos kung may plate na taga-ICC, bigyan ako ticket. Doon ako sa korte nila, mag-exhibition ako.
I'm doing my exhibition.
Sabihin ko man lang sa ICC, sino ang taong pinatay ko, pinakauna? Anong pangalan? Saan? Anong ginamit ko? At anong rason? Tapos, sinong pangalan ng tao na pinatay ko last bago umalit ako pagka-presidente? Saan? Bakit? At anong ginamit ko?
So you're willing to face the ICC?
Ay, at yung pinakagitna, nasabi mong pinatay ko, kailan ang birthday noon?
Anong masagot, Mayor?
Sila pulapot si Magellan yung pinatay mo.
Pero Mayor, isang question po, it's because of your admission daw during the Quadcom hearing. Sabi nila may task force na daw na ginuo ang DOJ to investigate.
Sir, but I said that I ordered the killings?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Tinanong mo sana sino, saan, paano, at anong araw. Kasi yung kamatayan tayo, kada patay niyan, tatanong kita kung ano ang nangyari.
Thousands yun.
Para, preparar ka ng, hindi kayo pwede mag-live.
But on the investigation daw na binubuo ng DOJ?
Ang investigations, nandoon ka sa polis. Huwag ka nang kumuha ka. Ang polis man tiga-investigar. O, doon mo malaman.
Did you bite the hook ba during the
Wala naman doon na extrajudicial killing, care of Rudy Duterte.
Nawe. Ang Trillanes.
Trillanes, huwag mo na lang, ako gusto kong patulan. Pero, alam mo talaga, hopelessly bubok. Wala ka rin makuha eh. No use to engage a person na dreamer.
But they're saying you did a lot of biting. Personally, did you bite the hook while they were fishing?
Ano?
They're saying that you've admitted a lot and you were saying that they are into fishing expedition. Have you remembered a moment na you bite the hook of the Congress?
Kayo, nakikinig man kayo.
Ikaw.
Wala nga. Nakikinig man kayo. Was there, did I take the book? Big?
Yeah.
Yes, Mayor.
Saan?
When you said that you ordered the food,
Oh,
and also when you said that there was a
the killing of what? Chickens ang sinabi ko doon.
Ala ka, ikaw nagpatay sa ating ba?
Look, because we were stupid persons asked me questions. I was answering them stupid answers. What did you admit? Yes, I admit to it. Because they would like to hear anong gusto nilang what would like to hear. So binigay ko siya na, yes, may feeling. 7,000. Pagdating mo, so what about the statement? Good luck. If you ask a silly question, you get a silly answer. If you are an ignoramus, you get an ignorant. I said, 1,000 chickens. Marami siya pinatay.
Mayor, on the lighter note, anong feeling na katabi kayo ni Lima?
Wala, hindi ko talaga, tagal ko na realize. Hindi kasi ganun siya palagi. Hindi talaga there was never a time na ganun siya. Tingnan mo camera.
Pero nung almost mo ibinato yung mic, ano siya, concerned siya sa'yo?
Kay ano nga. Kasi yung mic nakatali pala. Binunot ko ng ganon. Ito sana kaya walang ano. Yung microphone pa, may pag ganon ko. Tali.
Mayor, nasaktan daw po si Lili mo sinabihan yung walk-walk.
Ano ang sinabi niya, Noy?
Ang sabi ko? Walk na gilid.
Doon siya, no? Okay daw.
Mayor, ano po ang reaction natin tungkol sa sagot ni President PBBM na sa pagtatangka ni VP Sara? Sabi ni PBBM, yung ganyang kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalampas. Any reaction?
Huwag niya palang pasin. Anong kaya niya? Ano niya yung gusto niya? Wala ka dyan kayo. Kita mo hindi ako sumasagot kay Kuya. Ano ako siya nang magsabi? Hindi ako Mayor. Sugutin niya. Mayor, na yung lahat sa baba niya. Sa Manila, kasi Lorenzana. Hindi ko patulang.
Ngayon nakikita mo yung sa mga social media ng mga reaction ng mga tao pag ang balita ay sa government, yung mga reaction nila is bahak-hak, yung mga emojis na bahak-hak. Saka solid Duterte pa rin. Marami Duterte pa rin. Pinalik ang Duterte. How do you feel about it?
Wala na yan. Kasi I'm out. I'm finished. I am finished. I'm retired.
Nag-usap pa kayo uli ni ni Buddy Trump mo?
May plano akong tatawag.
Okay.
Tatawag, anong sasabihin mo, Mayor?
Sabihin ko, Trump, kayo mo pa.
Mayor, tuloy ang pag-ibig natin, Mayor. Mayor,
Hindi talaga ako sa pangtalulig.
Ini, kami